Let's get started with the Figma Agent. The agent is designed to be your AI co-pilot, and you can easily access and use it wherever you are in your everyday design process. If you need a fresh perspective or want to explore new ideas, just prompt the agent. You can ask it to generate alternative layouts of your existing design, requesting distinct approaches to structure, hierarchy, and flow to instantly see new possibilities side by side. Want to build something entirely new? You can start completely from scratch. Just type in your idea, like asking the agent to make a detailed mobile screen for a trip itinerary on a travel app, and it will generate a complete design to help kickstart your project in seconds. You can also collaborate seamlessly right on the canvas. Simply select the specific layers you want to adjust so the agent has the exact context, and then give your instruction. For example, asking it to add a plus button icon to all the day headers in your layout. The agent handles the busy work for you. Once you've crafted your design, the agent is a great partner for getting feedback. You can ask it to review your work from entirely different perspectives. For instance, ask what a revenue-focused VP of product might say. The agent will analyze your design, provide targeted critiques, and can even offer to explore adding new elements based on that specific feedback. There is so much more you can do with your new AI Copilot. To learn about all the features, capabilities, and access details, be sure to check out the full guide on the Figma Help Center.